Markets cannot be stopped. This is so awesome. I love seeing this, by the way. This is wonderful. This is brilliant. And for those who say the market can't go higher on decreasing volume, the market's just saying, hold my beer. That's what we're looking at today. A new market high as of today, right now. Just a gap higher, too. Look at that. Totally obliterated the space between these two candles right here. Now, where is money going? That's a great question. Where is the money going? Let's go look over here. It is going into Apple, it's going into Micron and Intel, and it's going into Tesla. Most of the market is not getting a pickup here. Most of the market's not getting a pickup. Now, Joe, when you see the market pushing all-time highs, but you don't see a broad-based rally, that would be considered a weak trend, right? This is not the easy money time of trading. This is actually considered a weak trend. Because if I go to the last 1 week performance, there's a couple names that really stick out, like Google. Oh man, look at Meta. Look at them right next to each other, right? One of these things is not like the other, right? So it's not necessarily a broad-based rally, especially not today. We're really seeing a lot of flows out of most names, and into a handful of these big names. Now, because the market is market cap weighted, the bigger they are, the more pull they have. So something like Apple, Micron, Intel, that's going to have a strong pull. Those three right there, each one up at least 3.5%, give or take. I will throw Tesla on top of that, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Those four account for the entire staple sector and industrials. That's how big those four stocks are as big as the entire industrial sector and the entire staple sector. So when they move 3.5%, it trickles across what, the market averages. So with that being said, right, that's where money's flowing to today. But we need to talk about our trading plan because this is the Outlier Trading Room US Investing Championship Invitation Only live stream. This is where we help you save time, make money, and start winning less risk. So go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already. I need to take some exits, and then I need to get into SGOV in just a minute. So because in a couple minutes, I'm going to be going through my slides for the Trader event next week, I'm just going to hustle through, do what I need to do in the trading account, and then we'll get right into the slides. So let's just jump over to that real quick. And we'll jump into Outlier. I'll go to my watch list tab real quick. Now, I do want to also throw out there that we've been seeing a crossover with Bearish Breadth for the last few days, which goes into exactly what we're talking about right here. Less and less stocks getting the buy signals, more and more stocks getting the sell signals. And this is the most slept on indicator in all of Outlier. I'm very partial because I invented it, but it is the most slept on indicator in here. This is absolutely a leading indicator for the market. Just check it out. Just have a gander, because while the market may be pushing higher, it's doing it on less and less and less stocks. So I have a sell signal on Skim, one of the stocks that I've been holding for a few days. I need to go get out of this stock right now. And I'm not going to worry about it. I'm not going to think about it. I got my exit signal. I'm not going to justify keeping it on any longer. I'm just going to get out. So send to ticket. And let's see. Sell to close, full position. And I'm out already, filled at 323. So let me do it in the family account real quick. Sell full position. Oh, wait a minute. Yeah, submit. Let me knock that down just a smidge. Okay, out of skims. All right, so let's add this to our spreadsheet over here so you can keep track. Now, this spreadsheet and everything is linked down below, so you'll always have access to this no matter what. For every video in 2026, you can follow along. But you shouldn't, though. Like, this is my plan. Remember, this is my plan. Because it's my plan, I can't tell you what to do. All right. So Skim, I rolled it once already at 380. Today, I just closed it a moment ago. Orders at 320. No, 323 was my fill price. So if I come over to that spreadsheet again, and then I add 323, that shows to be a grand loss of all of 5% on the option. or a 0.86. So this would actually fall into what I would categorize as a break even. Now, of course, that's not the way I wanted it to go, but anything with a 1 handle or less, so basically 2% up or 2% down, I would qualify as a break even. So this handily falls into the break even category right here. So we're done with skim, but now I got all these monies that I need to go to here. I'm in a drawdown right now. And Joe, I don't love it, but I'm in a drawdown right now. And that's the reality of trading. I have 47,948. So I need to go buy shares of SGOV. And this is the reality of trading, SGOV, right? This is not the fake YouTube gurus who are out there saying, oh, everything I buy always goes up. Because let's be realistic here. They're probably not buying shit. All they're doing is taking your money and scamming people. All right. 47, what was it? 47,956. So the reality of trading is I'm going to draw down and I'm not happy about it. 47,956 divided by 100.40. 477 shares. 477 shares. Limit price of 100.40. Now, the reason that I'm going here is that I don't have any other rejected. Okay, I may have to go 446. 446. Let's see. What did I say? 476. Now, the reason being that I'm doing this, why am I getting rejected? What am I missing here? Cash. Oh, that's total account value. Okay, my bad. Good. I didn't want to go margin anyway. 46,613. That's how much cash I have. Divided by 100.40. Okay, 464. 464. Buy. Now we're in. Limit. Oh, I'm going to have to pop it up just a smidge. Where's my orders? Orders right there. Okay, now I'm in about 464 shares of SGOV at $100.41. So I'm just going to come down here. I'm going to copy this down. I'm going to put 5/1/26. I don't know when I'm going to close it, so I'm going to change this one actually to. Oh, actually, I closed Google a couple days ago. Nvidia is still open. What day did I close Google? Do you remember?
Was it yesterday?
It was the day before earnings.
429.
This one here, the 29th. Okay. There we go. Okay, that's updated. My bad. Let's reset this. And then I'm going to make this the June 1st because we're now in May. Happy May, Joe.
That's right.
My kids have 13 days left of school. I'm like, what the frick are you doing? Go back to, what are you doing? No. So I will have unpaid interns hanging out with me all summer long. 464. The SPY heat map value today. Now you don't need this, but I personally like to keep track of it. SPY heat map value today is 82.69. 82.69. Okay, and then we go. Get off that. There we go. 100.41 is where I got in. 100.41. I don't know where I'm gonna get out, so I'm gonna equal this plus 0.01. There. No, 0.01. There we go. Okay. So that's gonna be our SGOV. It's gonna sit there for as long as it takes until I have a new trade that sets up. Maybe Plan ETF will set up sooner than later. I don't know. So next, I need to go and so I closed. That's all I got to do, right? I closed Skim. I bought SGOV, and that's it. Yeah. Give me 2 seconds here while I do the family account. What's on your mind, Joe?
I mean, it's a drawdown, but I mean, we knew that going in because we knew the expectancy from backtesting, and we ran the Monte Carlo simulator, and it told us there could be up to 7 consecutive trades go against you, and it didn't tell you when that would happen. It could happen at the beginning. It could happen at the end of the year. Like, if you're going to get into trading, you really have to understand that you can't control when you're going to win, and you can't control when you're going to lose. You just know both of those things are going to happen.
Yeah.